again, the old Snap-on heads, they're going to sit there and they're going to die about how their truck, the guy comes to them, they this, that, the other thing. I don't care. I want the tool that's going to do the job the cheapest, do it well, do it correct, and not cost me every last penny. For example, when I started, I was using these Milwaukee batteries, right? This was $210 when I started back in 2018. This is now up to $275. This you could buy off eBay, $70. Go to the store, it's $150. $150 at the store, and you get like a 5-year warranty, which rivals, it actually is probably better than Milwaukee. And the thing is, Milwaukee's not easy to go warranty anymore because of the Home Depot with them locking everything up. I did find out a strategy though, what you can do. What I've been doing is I just buy something new online. So say this dies within a year, I then again go buy it online, and then I just go back and I return it. Because if you buy it on the Home Depot credit card, you have up to a year to return stuff. And that's awesome because that to me gives me like a 1-year warranty when something breaks, goes wrong. Because I use these almost every single day. But again, for the price point, if you could find these for $80 online like I did, why would you not buy these? Same exact battery, same wattage, everything. Literally the same size. And I run adapters so I could actually fit the Bauer battery running a Milwaukee tool. The only thing now is the problem is you run this like size-wise with an adapter won't fit onto certain things. So that's where you run into a slight issue. But like on a leaf blower, this fits perfectly. No issues at all. In Rigid, I found some amazing deals right now on some Rigid tools. And now I've been starting to buy their batteries because the tools are so cheap compared to Milwaukee. And it's the same thing. And Rigid has one of the best warranties. But again, don't just dismiss a brand because you don't think it's the best tool. Sonic tools, that you could get these so cheap back in the day. So cheap. And this is a nice quality tool. They have an amazing warranty. They come with these foam inserts. The only problem now is their tools are a little bit more expensive than what they used to be. But again, lifetime warranty, advanced with a die-hard, lifetime warranty, 72 tooth count, ratchet. It's good for home use. You could use it in a shop. This is just my Go pack that I have. I got like some picks in here, some sockets. But again, with Snap-on and Matco, your overhead is so much higher. And you know when you run any business, the higher your costs are for your equipment, the more money you're going to have to make. And it's just going to hurt your bottom dollar. So again, if you can get a job done with a tool for 1/4 the price, why are you not going to do that? These guys saying, oh, the convenience of the Snap-on truck. I've never seen a truck come unless you have to wait a week. Sometimes they disappear. They don't come for 2 years like they did to my last shop. 2 years they were gone. First day the guy was back. He was trying to sell a whole bunch of stuff. That guy was such an idiot. We're like, dude, no one wants to buy anything from you. We had a pile of tools. Every single mechanic had a pile of tools broken that they needed a warranty. The guy was so frustrated. It's like, dude, you didn't come for 2 years. Well, it wasn't him. It was someone else. But still, 2 years without a Snap-on guy. So when these people say, oh my God, not everyone has a good Snap-on guy. Whereas if you go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Tecton, Gear Wrench, they all have the same service all around the country. Well, maybe actually not Gear Wrench, because Gear Wrench has trucks in my area and they don't, I guess, in others. But again, I don't understand the point. When you can get quality tools for literally 1/4 the price, you do it. You don't need to buy overrated tools like Snap-on.